Hello everybody, I'm changing the CVT for the and the belt on this EZGO MPT, and I'll show you how to do that. You need 13 millimeter. Take that out. You don't need any special tools for this guy. Just slide it out. There we go. There we go. So you're gonna slide the new belt here first. Then you need both hands to line this up and push. Put it in your mount. Tighten it up, I guess. So you can do a final torque on it. I don't have any torque specs. I just tighten it as far as I feel it. Now, if you have this type of golf cart and you're having problem with it's not going in any gear, forward or reverse, all of a sudden, like 10 seconds ago it was fine and then all of a sudden it stopped, most likely it's not your CVT drive. It's basically, you gotta check your hub. Make sure, see how there are splines here? This one has splines. Not really, they're gone. The brakes are completely burned out. What I noticed is because this has been shredding, it's put a lot of pressure on the CVT and the inner spring broke. When I take it out, I can hear it rattle. So today I'll be replacing the hub assembly with the new drums. See, the inner drums are eaten up quite a lot. Compare the new to the old. So I'm going to replace the brake drums, brake shoes all together. Sometimes all you need to do is lift the brake shoe up like this or down to adjust, because it's already at 0. So the e-brake adjuster is already at 0. So when you move the shoes up and down, you will see the hub moves, connects perfect. So we're good right there. Next thing, you're going to put on your washer and hub fastener, tighten it down with your tool, and you're all set. You take the hub out, both sides, check it out, and they're not stripped or anything. And another issue you would notice is when you try to put this in park, it would not go in park. It would not engage. That's a big indication of your brakes are being out completely. There's no mechanical fault there. It's all because the brake shoes are worn out. As soon as you replace those, your brake pedal should lock up like it should, supposed to. So let's test it out. I'm gonna drop this down, and here you go. Perfect. Let's go back. Sounds good to me. All right. So as you can see, replacing CVT belt and replacing your brakes and hub would solve your problem